Here are the two schools for tonight's show: Kingston College and Central High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From Kingston College, we have team captain Lowarn Martin, Conrad Dallas, Shane Bennett, and Tradicio Edwards. While from Central High, we have team captain Joel Fagan, Daryl Wright, Devontae Smith, and Kedan Bailey. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the fifth match in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Kingston College won. They decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Casey, we begin with information technology. Which colloquial term starting with C refers to a sudden, fatal, and unexpected halt in the execution of a program?
Crash.
Correct. Information technology for Central High. What keys are used as a direct shortcut to the Windows Task Manager?
Control and Alt.
Incorrect. Control, Shift, Escape. Local affairs for Casey. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Mejisiaga.
Correct. Local affairs, Central High. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Sharville Johnson.
Incorrect. Mariam Robinson. Literature for KC. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel Unburnable?
Lorna Goodison.
Incorrect. Maria Elena John. Literature for Central High. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel Sounding Ground?
Wilson Harris.
Incorrect. Vladimir Lucian. Music for KC. Listen to the clip. I give the title of the song.
How could you love me and leave me and never say goodbye?
I'll make love to you.
Incorrect. End of the Road. Music for Central High. Listen to this clip and give the title of the song.
Oh, I just need one more chance to prove my love to you.
One more chance.
Incorrect. On Bended Knee. Jamaican Heritage for KC. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Chiga too afraid.
Agravel.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage, Central High. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Hot Neagle.
Bustred.
Incorrect. Hot Neagle Bon Tread. Theatre and cinema, KC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jesse Williams.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Central High. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Ian Mackey.
Incorrect. Jason Winston George. French for KC. What part of a house is le plafond?
The veranda.
No, the ceiling. And French for Central High. What part of the house is le toit?
The roof.
Correct. KC, sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Kemar Lawrence.
Correct. Sports, Central High. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Aaron Lawrence.
Incorrect. Omar Daly. Art for KC. Which local artist created the piece Starboy in 1972?
K. Sullivan.
Correct. Art for Central High. Which Jamaican painted the 1991 piece Morning Song for Jah?
Monica Reynolds.
Incorrect. Osmond Watson. And Bible knowledge for KC. Pethuel was the father of which minor prophet?
Joel.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Central. Which minor prophet was Elkoshite?
Right. Nahum.
Nahum.
Correct. Biology for KC. What is the name of the disease where decreased bone density increases the risk of broken bones?
Osteoporosis.
Correct. Biology for Central. What is the name of the rare tumor of the alpha cells of the pancreas that results in the overproduction of the hormone glucagon?
Diabetes mellitus.
Diabetes mellitus.
Incorrect. Glucagonoma. Principles of business, and we have no time for that. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are KC on 8, Central High on 2. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.